Berry and Rose Gold Press-On Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish. Hi everybody! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the last pre-made press-on design that I have that's on my website. So that is a moon. So this one is going to be the berry marble design, and it is so pretty and so elegant. I love it. The marble is so kind of natural and unplanned looking, which I think is just super elegant. I hope you like it as much as I do, and if you look at the designs on my website and none of them fit what your personality or your needs or your preferences are, just send me an email with a design that you have in mind and we can work together to get the perfect set made for you. So just keep that in mind, and I will see you next time. Bye! I'm going to begin with a layer of a warm nude gel polish. So if you're wondering what I mean by warm nude, because everything has kind of this like rose gold pinky hue to it, that's the kind of nude color I went with. After that's cured, I applied a layer of bloom gel over the top of it, a pretty thin layer, but I wanted to make sure it covered the entire nail. And then I'm going to pick up a multicolored little bit of gel, which is kind of a burgundy color and a rose gold and a lighter pink. I'm going to be swirling that over the top of that warm base. So as you can see, I'm just very gently floating that color over the top. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on doing that kind of a marble look, I will put a link for a different video in the description box below, which goes over all the ins and outs of that. For the glitter fade nail, I'm going to start by applying rose gold gel from the tip of the nail and then blend it out. And the little holographic color I'm using for this actually blends out really easily just with the bottle brush, so I didn't even have to really worry about doing anything else. Then I'm going to do a second coat of that glitter fade going up, and then apply a very, very thin layer of builder in a bottle over the top of the entire nail, which I'm going to use as a glitter glue. And then I'm going to take these really pretty little rose gold circle cutouts. And they're perfect circles, which you don't usually see with this size of glitter. Usually they're hexagons, but I love that these are circles because it reminds me of like a sequins dress is what I think of when I look at this. So I'm going to take and apply those, and I'm going to apply them in a fade just as the gel in the background is a gradient. So you want the glitter to be much thicker at the tip of the nail and then blend up so you can almost just see like little polka dots of it as it gets to the cuticle area. It's just a glitter here and there the farther up the nail it goes. And with that builder gel as the base for the glitter, you can continue to adjust the glitters as long as you want, because they're not going to slide around and move on their own, but they will definitely continue to move if you push them into the correct place. So after you have those and you're happy with their placement, cure it and then finish it with a layer of gel top coat. So just apply that over the top and make sure you float the gel top coat so it's a bit thicker than normal. That way the glitters are completely sealed in. So now to do the berry chrome, I'm going to begin with 2 coats of a burgundy gel polish. I absolutely love this color. It's a little bit more purpley of a burgundy than some. It doesn't have kind of like that rusty tone to it. It's really kind of like a triple berry color. But then I'm going to apply no wipe top coat and then burnish a layer of a pinky red chrome powder over the top so it has that burgundy chrome finish to it. So pretty. And then I'm going to brush off the extra chrome powder and seal the nail with a layer of gel top coat. I love doing a chrome color on top of the color underneath because it doesn't really change the color of the nail but gives it so much more dimension. I hope you guys like this design, and here is a Melody Minutes.
I think you need to dig right here. Right? Can you dig right here?
Is it good? Yeah. You can have some more?
Yeah?
Get over here. Get over here. I got you. Come give me a kiss.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this design. Please check the description box for the link for ordering, and I will see you next time. Bye!